Creamy tuna pasta by French Chef Menu. Ingredients: spaghetti pasta, black pepper, salt, onion, garlic, tuna flakes, mushroom, evaporated milk, all-purpose cream, and cheese. First, boil water into a pot with 1 tablespoon of salt. Then add 400 grams of pasta. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Drain the pasta using a strainer and set aside. In a pan, put the tuna flakes oil. Add 4 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, and 2 cans of tuna flakes. Add 115 grams of mushroom. Add 250 ml of all-purpose cream. Add 140 ml of evaporated milk. Add 45 grams of cheese. Season it with a pinch of salt and black pepper too. Stir thoroughly. Now, let's add the pasta. Mix them together to make sure it's evenly coated. Put the pasta in a container. And top it off with a grated cheese. Here's the creamy tuna pasta by French Chef Menu. Like and share! Thank you for watching!